Welcome. Today we're diving into the essentials of block diagrams. We'll explore what they are, why they matter, and exactly how to build your own using Lucidchart. Before we start building, let's define our terms and look at how these diagrams help teams visualize complex systems at a high level. What is a block diagram? It's a high-level flowchart used to describe system components. It simplifies complex hierarchies by using blocks for entities and lines to represent their fundamental relationships. What is a block diagram used for? They are essential for designing new systems, troubleshooting existing processes, and making complex technical architectures easy for any stakeholder to understand. When choosing types of block diagrams, consider functional block diagrams or FBDs to track data flow, or system block diagrams to map out physical and logical component connections. The core elements of a block diagram include blocks for components, connectors for communication paths, and input/output signals to show how information moves through the system. We maintain common notations and standards by using labels and directional arrows effectively. This ensures that anyone viewing the diagram understands the exact sequence and flow. Now that we've covered the theory, let's jump into the product. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a block diagram. Start by opening a new Lucidchart document. Drag a block shape from the library onto the canvas for each major component in your system. Next, use the connector tool to link your blocks. Click and drag from the red dots on the edge of one block to another to create an arrow. Double-click any block or line to add a label. Be specific with your naming to ensure the system hierarchy is crystal clear. Once your diagram is complete, use Lucid's real-time collaboration features to get instant feedback. You can easily share or embed your work to keep everyone aligned. You're now ready to build professional block diagrams that bring clarity to your most complex systems. Head over to Lucidchart and start creating today.